मॉर्निंग क्लास 7। तो हम लोग फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे इंडस्ट्रीज को लेके। लास्ट डे आई हैव कंप्लीटेड अप टू प्रॉक्सिमिटी टू मार्केट्स। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द एफिशिएंट सिस्टम ऑफ transportation. So well developed and efficient system of transportation such as railways, roadways, airways and waterways, these are all needed for the movement of the raw materials and finished goods. तो ये सब कुछ चाहिए क्योंकि finished goods को पहुंचाना है दूसरे जगह पे। And industries flourish in areas in India that are well connected. For example, in India, the coastal areas and the Indo-Gangetic Plain, with their excellent network of roads, railways, and ports that are favored the center of large-scale industries. So, roads, railways, और ports बहुत important है for the large-scale industries. Now, availability of the power and water, a cheap and steady source of power, is essential for industries. Earlier, when industries were dependent on coal for energy, many factories were located near the coal mines. जब कोल के ऊपर डिपेंड करते थे एनर्जी तो many of them are dependent on the coal. Okay. Now next is, now industries also use hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power use करते हैं, wind energy use करते हैं, and oil. Hydroelectric projects generally have industries located close by, but industries that use oil are not tied to a particular location because oil can easily be transported through pipelines. Now hydroelectric जो सारे hydroelectricity के ऊपर जो सारे depend करते हैं वो क्या करते हैं सोर्स के पास में ही होते हैं। जहाँ से हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलते हैं उसी के पास ही इंडस्ट्रीज होते हैं। लेकिन ऑयल के ऊपर जो इंडस्ट्रीज डिपेंड करते हैं उसको ऑयल रिफाइनरीज के पास नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि पाइपलाइंस के थ्रू ऑयल्स चले आते हैं। गवर्नमेंट एड मीन्स गवर्नमेंट हेल्प, गवर्नमेंट incentives and policies and also influence the location of industries. Now, government agencies provide land, power and water at low rates to draw industries to particular areas ताकि एक particular areas में industries हो सके। Now, next is for setting up projects in the less developed areas, जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश और उत्तराखंड, ये सारे जगह के लिए गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारे incentives भी दिए हैं। Now, availability of capital. Capital means the money. Easy access to capital is another factor that influences the location of some industries, and industries that require large inputs of capital are often located near towns. तो जो सारे जगह पे large inputs चाहिए capital का, that is located near the towns and cities and that have banks and other financial institutions from which they can borrow money easily. दूसरे भी financial institutions है जहाँ से ये लोग मनी को उधार पे ले सकते हैं। Now, important industries of the world, first is the iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is a large-scale industry and it helps in running many of the other industries. Iron and steel industries को fundamental industry बोलते हैं because it's products from the raw materials for several other industries and the main materials used in the industries are iron, coal, manganese and limestone. So these are the main raw materials. Large amount of coal, electricity and water, these are also needed in the productions of the steel, and steel is used in the automobile, machinery, shipbuilding, constructions and transportation industries. Now top producer of steel क्या बोल रहे हैं? एशिया में है। China is the world's leading producer of iron and steel. Shanghai, Tianjin and Wuhan, these are the main producing regions, and it is followed by Japan where Nagasaki and Yokohama are the main producing regions. Now India is the third largest producer of the steel in the world. Visakhapatnam, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bhilai, Durgapur, Salem and Bhadravati, these are the main centers of the productions in India. Then comes North America. USA is the largest producer of iron and steel in North America. Steel production in USA is spread in these regions. In North Appalachian region, the Great Lake region, the Mid-Atlantic coast. At present, most of the iron and steel produced in the United States is made up of iron and steel scrap instead of the iron ore. And Mexico is also important producer of the iron and steel in North America. Then comes Europe, Russia, Germany, Turkey, Ukraine, Italy, Spain and France. These are the top producers of the steel in Europe. Next is the South America. Brazil is among the leading producer of the steel in the world, and Colombia and Venezuela, these are also produce the steel. Then comes textile. It's a fabric or the cloth made from the yarn, and through methods such as weaving or knitting, the textile industry uses natural fiber. क्या क्या use करते हैं? Cotton, wool, silk and jute, and in recent times synthetic fibers like nylon, polyester and rayon, this also being used as the raw materials. तो ये सारे भी raw materials के तौर पे use होते हैं. Now next is the textile industry is one of the biggest generators of employment in India. अभी textile industry biggest generators of employment बन गया है इंडिया पे. Top producers are China, USA, India and Italy are the top producers of cotton textile in the world. Main centers of the textile industries in India are Coimbatore, Kanpur, Pondicherry, Panipat, Ahmedabad, Chennai and the Kolkata. And various regions of India, they have developed the distinct style in the textile making, which are popularly known for popular nationally and internationally. मतलब वो सारे जगह nationally और internationally बहुत ही famous है. कैसे? Such as the chicken curry of Lucknow, Kalamkari of Kalahasti, Andhra Pradesh, Kanjivaram silk of Kanchipuram, Ikkat of Odisha and Gujarat. Now next is the information technology. IT industry is flourishing day by day, and that's why IT या फिर information technology refers to the technologies used to manage and process the large amount of information. बहुत सारे informations ये लोग देते हैं, informations और data. The IT industry involves the production of hardware and software. Hardware और software दोनों ही produce करते हैं. Some important products of the ITs are the computers, video games, and the smartphones, and some industries produced on it based on the use of the IT and our business process outsourcing. That is BPO भी use होते हैं. Now telecommunications and internet based industries such as the e-commerce and social media, it is one of the first growing industries and it has many applications. तो IT industries का बहुत सारे applications भी है. Many of the other industries also rely on the use of IT to refine the process of the productions and increase efficiency. Now world's leaders of IT कौन-कौन है? USA is the world leader in the IT industry, where Silicon Valley in California and Boston in Massachusetts are the main centers, and other prominent centers of the IT industries are in Paris, Saclay in France, Skolkovo in Russia, Beijing in China, Silicon Valley in Israel, Bangalore in India, and Tech City in the United Kingdom. In India, Bangalore is the leading center of the IT industry. Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, and the National Capital Region, that is Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Pune, and Kolkata. These are some other important centers of the IT industry. The IT sector in India provides employment to over 2 million people. India is among the leading providers of outsourcing services in the world. So this completed the IT. Now comes the sugar industry. Sugar is one of the most widely agricultural produce in the world and is mainly used for the sweetener and is a key ingredient in the food processing industry. तो ये key ingredient है food processing industries के लिए, and sugar is used for manufacture the medicine. Sugar is derived from sugar cane and sugar beets which are highly perishable. Perishable मतलब जो तुरंत बहुत खराब हो जाते हैं यही. Ethanol, a clean energy fuel, is produced from molasses. Molasses एक byproduct है sugar cane का. Top producer of sugar क्या क्या है? Brazil, India, China, Thailand, USA, and the European Union produce the bulk of the world's sugar. Now next is in India, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, these are the leading producer of the sugar, and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh, these are also contribute significantly. Shipbuilding क्या बोल रहे हैं? It is an old and important industry located in the shipyard along the coast, and this industry deals with the constructions and maintenance of the ships. तो ये construct करते हैं ships और उसको maintain भी करते हैं. And other marine vessels used for the transportations and leisure. And steel is an important raw material for this industry. Top producers देखो China, South Korea, and Japan. These are the world's leaders in the industry, and Philippines, Germany, Brazil, and USA, these are the other significant producers. India's global position in shipbuilding is one on the lower side, but it is an important industry for the country, and the main shipyards in India are located in Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Kochi, and Kolkata. Next is the fishing. Fishing is an important industry which produces food for a large sections of the world's population, and it includes catching of fish and other marine products. जैसे कि सी, ओशंस, रिवर्स और लेक से वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग लेते हैं. प्रोसेसिंग एंड सेल. The industry also includes aquaculture, which is the cultivation of fish under the controlled condition. So fish cultivation होता है वो भी controlled conditions में. Though fishing has been practiced by the humans from ancient times, recently overfishing has become a problem, and overfishing endangered certain species of fish by reducing their quantity in the oceans. तो overfishing से क्या होता है, specific कुछ type of fish खत्म हो जाते हैं क्योंकि इतने सारे फिशिंग्स होते हैं इसीलिए. इट ऑल्सो डैमेजेस द मैरीन इकोसिस्टम. टॉप प्रोड्यूसर्स कौन कौन है? चाइना, पेरू, इंडिया, इंडोनेशिया, यूएसए एंड चिली. These are the leading producers in the fishing industry, and India is among the top producers of the fish in the world. The fishing industry is concentrated along the India's long coastline, mainly in the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The rivers of India are important source of the freshwater fish. Now next is the automobile. So automobile also known as the automobile industry, and this industry is involved in designing and manufacturing automobiles like the two wheelers. मतलब two wheelers होते हैं, three wheelers होते हैं, cars and heavy vehicles. These are all made in the automobile industry. Now it plays an important role in the economy of the country, as more the vehicles, better mobility of the people, and this in turn results in enhance the trade and commerce. So this helps in enhancing the trade as well as commerce. Top producer China, USA, Japan, Germany, India and South Korea. ये world leaders in the automobile industry. And India, the automobile industry is divided into four major clusters. क्या क्या clusters है? Southern clusters in Chennai, Bengaluru, Hosur. वेस्टर्न क्लस्टर है मुंबई, पुणे, नासिक, औरंगाबाद. साउथ नॉर्दर्न क्लस्टर है दिल्ली, गुरुग्राम, फरीदाबाद. एंड ईस्टर्न क्लस्टर है कोलकाता, जमशेदपुर. देन कम्स द कॉजेज ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन. इतने सारे इंडस्ट्रीज होते हैं तो इसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है? इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन होते हैं. कॉजेज क्या है? देयर आर मेनी कॉजेज इन योर बुक, बट ओनली 2 कॉजेज यू हैव टू लर्न. The dumping of industrial waste into landfills and water bodies causes harmful substances to seep into land and water. तो डंपिंग ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट, बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट डंप होते हैं और वो वाटर बॉडीज के साथ मिक्स्ड होते हैं और फिर से उसको हार्मफुल बना देते हैं. द अनप्लान्ड एंड अनकंट्रोल्ड एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज विदाउट इवैल्यूएटिंग द इम्पैक्ट ऑफन डैमेजेस द एनवायरनमेंट. मतलब ऐसे ही अगर अनप्लान्ड और अनकंट्रोल्ड वे में इंडस्ट्रीज बढ़ते रहे तो क्या होगा? तो ही पोल्यूशंस हो जाएंगे. Now effects of pollutions में भी 2 points. First 2 points you have to learn, both for causes and for effects. The excessive smoke and fumes that produced from factories and automobiles, they have the harmful effects on plants, animals and human beings, and they contaminate the atmosphere by increasing the levels of carbon monoxide. तो increase करते हैं levels of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. They also cause respiratory disease. ये क्या करते हैं? respiratory disease cause करते हैं. Land pollution is caused by the waste generated from the industries. बहुत सारे waste generated होते हैं industry से, like the paper mills, oil refineries, tanneries and the fertilizers units. Garbage produced by households and disposed randomly also pollutes the land. So this disposing of the garbage randomly also pollutes the land. Last is our controlling pollutions. इसके लिए भी first 2 points are important. Industries must use better methods of waste management, and effluents and other waste from industries should be treated before being released into the environment. Environment में release होने से पहले इसको treat करके release करना है. And outdated technology must be replaced by the improved eco-friendly technology and updated periodically. So this should be updated periodically. So this is the end of your chapter. इस पार्ट जो आज हम पढ़ाए उस पोर्शन के लिए अलग से कुछ राइटिंग नहीं है, तुम लोग बुक से ही पढ़ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सिर्फ जो जो पॉइंट्स हम बोले कि पहला 2 करके पॉइंट पढ़ना है, कॉजेज, इफेक्ट्स और कंट्रोलिंग पोल्यूशंस के लिए, वो ध्यान से करना है बुक से. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.